Hello guys, welcome to Pit Stop. Today we are in Mercedes-Benz Sundaram Motors Coimbatore to test drive a very special car. To be very specific, it's a very angry AMG. This is the car which we are going to drive today, the Mercedes AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. That's quite a long name, right? So this is the replacement for the GLE 43 series. This is the new 53 series which is being launched here in our country, India, and we will be doing a detailed review of this angry AMG. This is looking massive, right? So before going into the video guys, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So let's take a quick look at the design of the massive GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. So one thing which I would like to mention is that this is a proper massive SUV. If I want to compare this with a BMW X6 or even the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, I think this has more road presence than those SUVs, and that's my favorite part about the GLE 53 series. And if you take a look at the front end, the most prominent design element is the massive front grille with the another massive Mercedes-Benz logo out here, and right below the logo we can find the camera. So it's coming with a 360-degree camera. And to talk about the headlamps, we have multi-beam LED headlamps which has got a very nice throw. So coming to the bumper part, it's coming with a piano black finish at the lower part of the front bumper, and as you can notice that there are a couple of parking sensors mounted onto the bumper. So coming to the side profile, which is even more interesting part of the GLE 53, what you will notice first is the massive 21-inch wheels. So we are getting an AMG alloy wheels which is 5 tin spoke alloys, and which is coming with a AMG brake calipers and disc brakes and all. So the good part about the wheels is that the massive 21-inch size, and other than that the front size is 275 section, and if you go to the rear, it's actually even more wider tires. The rear is coming with a 315 section tires which is again 21 inches, and you know, that helps a lot in terms of handling. It's coming with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV tires. That's pretty costly, I have to mention that. And coming to the side profile, we have got side footsteps and body colored door handles and everything. Since this is a night package of the AMG, it's coming with a piano black finish on the side mirrors with integrated turn indicators. Just below the side mirrors we can find a camera because we have got 360-degree view in the GLE 53 series, and also a Mercedes-Benz logo projection right below the side mirrors. And just come with me, take a look at the car. You will notice that it's a proper coupe like design, and that's why it's called the GLE 53 AMG Coupe, right? So if you take a look at the back end of the GLE 53 AMG Coupe, if I have told you like the front end is very much massive, I don't know what I should talk about the rear end of the GLE, because it's looking even more massive and proper stylish, I should mention. We have got an AMG badging over here. The best part about the back end of the GLE is these quad pipe exhaust from AMG. So it's coming again in black because I told you this is the night package from the AMG. So that's why we have got black bumpers with parking sensors and quad AMG exhaust pipes with proper black color. So if you open the boot, this is how you open the boot of a Mercedes, and we have got again a massive 655 liters of boot space. So if you open the floor, you can find a space saver which is a very thin space saver, and you have got the toolkit and all. So just close it, and 655 liters of boot space means it's a proper practical SUV, right? So and also we have got a flap sort of design with which we can completely cover the boot. So it's if you ask me, the GLE 53 is a proper practical SUV which is also performance oriented. So let me close the boot with a one touch. So let's take a quick look at the interiors. So inside the mighty AMG GLE 53 Coupe, and wow, what a fantabulous interiors, I should say. Let me just quickly turn on the car. Wow. So it gets all new interiors. That's what the specialty is all about. If you take a look at the interiors, the first thing which comes into your eyes is the massive 12.3-inch touchscreens. Not just one, two 12.3-inch touchscreens, and that makes a lot of difference in the interior part, right? So actually, the best thing other than that is the brushed aluminum finish of all the switches. These toggle switches comes in like a chrome brushed aluminum finish, which looks very premium. And you know, take a look at the screen once again, guys, please, because you know, the quality of the display and the quality of the screen is pretty excellent, I should say. So coming back to the interiors, just below the screen you have got 4 AC vents. Count it, 1 2 3 4 AC vents are there, and again we have this brushed aluminum finish over here. And if you take a look at above the screen, we have this leather finished dashboard, and on the bottom part also we are getting a leather finished dashboard with white stitching and all, and in between that we have a patterned design. It's like a sort of wooden design over here, which looks very premium. And the GLE 53 gets two sort of design, like on the interiors. One is the all black interiors, in which where I am sitting right now, and there is also a mix of black and brown. So other than that, the best thing other than that which I like so much about the AMG GLE 53 is the AMG steering wheel, which has got a flat bottom, of course, and AMG logo on it. And the first time we are getting drive mode switches right here, and also the traction control switches and AMG exhaust flap switches right here. So that feels even more special, right? And again, a lot of brushed aluminum finish across the steering wheel. It comes with a Napa leather mix with nice stitching, and it's one of the best feel. You know, when you're sitting inside, it gives a very nice feel to hold on it. And even the paddle shifters comes in brushed aluminum, guys. So it's like a superb interiors altogether, if you ask me. And right behind the steering wheel you get again this 12.3-inch touchscreen, and above that, if you take a look, we have the heads-up display, which shows you almost all the informations on the windscreen itself, almost the RPM, the speed, and a host of other informations on the windscreen. So other than that, we are getting a panoramic sunroof, which makes the cabin even more airy, and you know, it gives a nice feel, and especially when you're driving the car. So other than that, these grab handles, this is one of my favorite in the interiors. These grab handles gives it a proper mighty SUV feel, because the first time I saw this grab handle is on the Porsche Cayenne, because that's a big SUV. The GLE is also equally big, as big as the Porsche Cayenne, and that is why they have given the grab handles. Again, the grab handles bottom part is coming with a brushed aluminum finish. So just below these, you know, very good looking AC controls, we have this piano black finish. Center tunnel is looking even more stylish than before, and if you open this, you have two cup holders, a pretty big cup holders if you ask me, and a wireless charging pad with two C-type charging ports as well. So this is all about the center tunnel. And something which I forgot to mention is 13 speaker Burmester audio system. So on the door pad itself, we have a nice badging of the Burmester, and also a speaker setup right here. And these are the seat controls, and what is this is seat cooling option and seat heating option, for not just for the driver seat, it is also available for the passenger seat as well. So that's special, right? Especially on the long journeys. If I have to talk about the seats, guys, it comes with AMG seats, but not you know, hardcore AMG seats, I would say, because these AMG seats are like, you know, pretty cushioned, because just keep in mind that Mercedes wants to make this car a very practical SUV. That means that every day we should be able to use this SUV without any sort of trouble. That is why they have given us such a cushioned seats for the AMG GLE 53, and it comes with a mix of Napa leather, and the texture is entirely different. You can see that how attractive the texture looks, and since it's all black, it's pretty easy to maintain as well. And of course, even the seats are getting an AMG logo as well. So it comes with a very massive headrest, and as usual, red seat belts, which makes it even more sportier. So this is all about the front row of the AMG GLE, and here we get an SOS calling option, Mercedes Me Connect, and of course I forgot to mention something, guys. Just take a look. Just below this wooden panel we have this ambient lighting which run across the length of the car, which runs across the car, and we have 64 color ambient lighting. That is special, right? Especially at night, there is a lot of lights inside the cabin. I wish I could have shown you at night also. So other than that, we have this Mercedes connected app technology with which you can control a lot of features through your mobile phone itself, and here we can find the 4G control, 4G SIM over here. So just after the center tunnel, I have to mention that here we have got all the basic controls, navigation option, parking sensors, 360-degree parking camera, dynamic drive select, volume option here, and right before that, this is the option to lower or lower down the car, or if you want to increase the ride height, this is the toggle switch for that, and this is the suspension setup switch. And right here we have a special switch which is for the quad pipe exhaust. So if you click on this quad exhaust note, there are two options actually, which shows powerful as well as balanced. So usually it will be on the balanced mode, and if you put it in powerful mode and if you just throttle the car, wow, such a very good sound note actually. Exhaust note is pretty awesome, not as wild as the other AMGs, but still the 53 series is pretty impressive in terms of the interiors as well as the exhaust note. So it's time to drive the car, and before that let me quickly show you the second row of the AMG GLE. Alright guys, inside the second row of the GLE 53 AMG, and what I would like to mention is that first thing, the headroom is not bad at all. We have got enormous amount of headroom because my feet size is 6 feet, height is 6 feet, and still a very good amount of headroom. I would like to mention that because I was wondering that because of the coupe roofline the headroom will be a bit of a constraint, but not at all. And the best thing about the rear seat is that again the seating comfort is pretty awesome. Of course we can only call it as a 4-seater because of the center tunnel, and this being a luxurious SUV, nobody will take 5 people on board. But even if you want to take 5 people on board, there is nothing to worry. We have got very good amount of legroom, we have got very good amount of headroom, and of course we are getting a 5th headrest as well. Other than that, the handrest is coming with 2 cup holders. We have enough space to accommodate 3 people right here, and as I told you, it's a 4-zone climate control option. Here if you take a look on the left side, the person can adjust the climate options as per his or her levels, and of course it's available for the right side passenger as well. So we are getting a small display, 2 AC vents, and here we have got a small pocket to put any of your belongings, and of course 2 C-type charging ports. So overall the AMG GLE is a proper practical SUV if you ask me. Why? Because it is not just focusing on performance, it is focusing on practicality as well. The best thing which shows it is the seats, very cushioned seats, very much comfortable seats, and other than that, even on the rear, what I like the most is the Burmester audio system branding over here with the speaker setup. It looks very premium. Can you see the ambient lighting here? That feels very special, guys. So it's all about the rear seats of the AMG GLE Coupe. It's equally feeling special, and it's time to drive the car. Angry AMG GLE. Let's drive the GLE. Finally driving the AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. So there's a lot more to talk about the mighty massive SUV. Earlier I drove the GLE 63 in Dubai. That was one hell of an SUV, guys. This is like equally thrilling. The best thing about this SUV is that of course the interiors, I should mention that, and of course this being an AMG, it is equally fun to drive. Can you listen to it? This is pretty awesome, pretty awesome. The steering feedback is so good. Wow, it comes with Eco Boost option. So that means that from the normal power and torque figures, the Eco Boost option, the EQ option to be very specific, it will help to increase the power figure to another additional 22 bhp and a whopping 250 Newton meters of torque. So to specifically talk about the engine, it comes with a 3-liter boosted inline 6-cylinder petrol engine directly taken from the GLE 450, guys, and it comes with EQ boost also, as I told you earlier. 22 PS and 250 Newton meters of torque is added additionally to the already massive 435 PS and 520 Newton meters of torque. That makes this 2.2 ton SUV go like wow. 0 to 100 comes in 5.3 seconds.
6100 RPM is the RPM red line. The Sportio air suspension and adaptive dampers make the GLE 53 even more special. It comes with 7 drive modes: slippery, comfort, trail, sand, sport, and the Angrier Sport Plus option. And also you get an individual mode where you can tune settings as per your wish. The engine is mated to a 9-speed speed shift TCT transmission, where the speeds are super quick, and when you're putting it in comfort mode, you feel like you're driving a very normal car. So you don't feel like you're driving an AMG when you put it in comfort mode. That makes this car a daily. You can drive the GLE 53 to office, you can drive the GLE 53 to a wedding, no matter what. This is a proper AMG. I completely agree to it, but this is a practical AMG. You can seriously trust me, guys, this car can be used on a daily basis. And to give it a beans, always remember that 0 to 100 km/h comes in just 5.3 seconds, and with those AMG performance exhaust system, it's really a fun to drive this car.
Wow, that was a great drive, and hope you guys enjoyed our video with the GLE 53 AMG 4MATIC Plus Coupe. And if I want to sum it up, guys, I'm really impressed with this SUV, not just because of one or two things, with so many things actually. You just look at the car, massive road presence, and this design is like very much striking, right? Not just the front end, even if you take a look at the back end, it looks very much massive, and at the same time striking design, I should mention. So coming to the pricing part, it is priced at 1.2 crore ex showroom, guys. Actually, if you ask me, it is costlier than the previous generation GLE AMG, because earlier it was the 43 series and now it is the 53 series. The 53 series is coming with a lots of changes, lots of added technology inside the car with technologically advanced features and awesome interiors. One of my favorite part about the GLE 53 is the massive road presence and the very striking interiors, especially the 12.3-inch screens. So talking about the price point, the GLE AMG is actually affordable than a Porsche Cayenne Coupe, or else even the Audi Q8 for that matter. So that is even more impressive, right? And all the options are available in the standard variant also. That is another additional point. So this car is pretty lovely, pretty massive, and very powerful. Of course, it is not following the brand strategy like a one man one engine that is especially for the AMG. This is not a hand built engine, but still the 53 series engine is very much powerful, very much exciting, and very much fun to drive, guys, because I just really want to drive this car again and again. Thank you so much, Sundaram Motors Mercedes-Benz dealers in Coimbatore, for providing the test car for a short spin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can write it down and we can have a conversation, guys. And please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.